Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sana. I'm here again with another episode of Drama Log, and I'm here with Sunny, my friend, and Faraz as well. So assalamu alaikum everyone, how's it going with you guys?
Hello. It's going fine. You know what I'm excited about? I just got the book by Han Kang that won the Nobel Prize. It's called The Vegetarian. I'm really looking forward to reading that book. I heard really good reviews about it.
Are you vegetarian?
I'm not. Neither is she. So that's why I'm curious to know what she wrote about. Apparently, it was not about food alone. It was how she sort of addressed cultural differences with this concept of food. It's not preachy at all, based on what others are saying. So I'm actually very curious. There's something in it that won the Nobel Prize, and she's the one who actually refused the celebration of Nobel Prize. Remember, because of the war in Gaza.
Yes.
Yeah. So
can you share me the link? Where did you get it from? Amazon?
Amazon, yes.
Yeah. Share the link with me, okay?
Yep, absolutely.
I'll get it. And you know what I'm excited about?
Mhm.
I don't know if I told you once, Sunny, like the book of As Long as the Lemon Trees Grow.
No. Oh,
Remember
lemon
I
tree.
told you?
Yeah. You mentioned about it.
Did you read it?
I haven't bought it yet. No.
Oh my gosh, it's such a good book. I don't know why it's anyway, it's such a good book.
Okay. Is it in Lebanon or no?
No, it's about Syria. That's why I brought it up now.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's about this whole, like, during the Civil War, like, entire story of this girl who's a pharmacy student actually, and then when the war starts and all these hospitals are bombed and everything, so what happens is like a lot of doctors die, a lot of people just run away basically. So the hospital is like they don't have enough staff. So this pharmacy student is basically promoted to a surgical assistant position in the hospital, and just cleaning staff becomes nurses, things like that. Like it's just like, so like everyone's doing like job that they're not supposed to do, but they're still like so resilient and doing everything. And it's just like her story, her entire the journey, and then she becomes a refugee too at the end. But it's amazing.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's it's something to read about right now with everything going on.
Good one. I mean, the only thing I read on Syria was, I think, Land of Thousand Splendid Suns or something like that.
Yeah, that was by what's his name, Hosseini?
Hosseini, yes. That was
Khalid Hosseini, I think.
Thousand
Splendid Suns.
Oh my gosh,
Kite Runner भी उन्होंने लिखी थी.
Kite Runner, but I think this one's better. 1,000 Splendid Suns is better, and it made me cry. I was reading it on an airplane. I was I was flying alone to my med school actually from Chicago to Kansas City, and I started crying, and like the person next to me is like, "What's wrong with you?" And I
इस
started
तरह
tears.
खालिद हुसैनी इसी तरह की किताबें लिखते हैं ना कि
But this one's better. Like the As Long as the Lemon Trees Grow, it made me cry, man. It's just like I read it 2 times actually.
Oh.
And just Faraz, you should read it too. It's amazing. It's by Hala.
मेरा बड़ा अजीब सा, मतलब मेरी जो है ना चॉइसेस बड़ी डाइवर्सिफाइड किस्म की हो रही हैं आजकल. मतलब अगर मैं आप मुझसे पूछे कि मैं किताब कौन सी पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो मैं तो अ डायरी ऑफ अ सीईओ पढ़ रहा हूँ आजकल. उसके मैंने पॉडकास्ट सुने थे, तो देन आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग हिज बुक, व्हिच इज अगेन जबरदस्त बुक. इफ यू गाइस कैन गेट अ चांस, ही इज number 1 in podcast on Apple Podcast in UK, and then he's actually number 3 in the US as well when it comes to business podcast. So A Diary of a CEO by Stephen Bartlett, मैं वो किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. But then अगर आपको मैं अपना अगला बताऊं कि मैंने किया क्या है, you guys would laugh कि मैं एक तरफ ये पढ़ रहा हूँ और एक तरफ मैं बेबी जॉन का ट्रेलर देखा मैंने, वरुण धवन का. तो उसका
What is that?
It's a new Hindi movie, full masala movie.
कौन सी movie? Which I don't know.
Baby John.
What is
Baby
that?
John. It's a movie. It's a new Bollywood movie that's coming out.
I don't watch Bollywood.
Of an older Tamil or Telugu movie? Tamil movie.
हाँ, तो एक मतलब look at my, like I said ना, किस तरह की मेरी choices है. मैं एक तरफ वो किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ, highly intellect, और एक तरफ मैं बेबी जॉन देख रहा हूँ. and then I'm finding the rhythm of that music. उसका गाना भी एक बड़ा मजे का चल रहा है, तो वो मैं सुन रहा हूँ. It's on repeat loop. अब मैं उसको बता नहीं सकता उसका टैगलाइन क्या है. बड़ा गैर मुहज्जब किस्म का लफ्ज है वो. हमारे यहाँ तो वो बोला भी नहीं जाता, but the beat is nice. So हाँ, मैंने तो ये दो चीजें मैं कर रहा हूँ आजकल.
I haven't watched a Bollywood movie since, I think the last ones I watched was Bajrangi Bhaijaan and
क्यों नहीं
maybe
देखती आप
Kapoor and
बॉलीवुड
Sons.
मूवीज? ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, क्यों नहीं देखती?
You know, they're so vulgar.
नहीं, अच्छी अच्छी भी है, मैं आपको रेकमेंड कर सकता हूँ जो वल्गर
कौन
नहीं
सी?
होती। अगर
Plus,
साउथ की,
plus, I have an issue with some of the actors now, with their morals.
वो देखो यार, हर इंसान पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या करता है
Not only
मैं
personal
तो
life.
सीधा
It's not about personal life. I'm not talking about that. It's about like their moralities with the world, I
मैं
guess.
आपको रेकमेंड कर सकता हूँ क्योंकि अब मुझे अंदाजा हो चुका है कि
You know,
you are into-
I'll watch with like उसकी movie देख लूंगी मैं क्या what's her name? Gosh, I forgot her name. She's a really good actress. I'll watch her movies.
चलो, आई
But
रेकमेंड यू 2 मूवीज जो कि लड़ाई झगड़ा मार कुटाई और ये सब नहीं होगा। दे आर प्रॉपर रोमांटिक मूवीज। साउथ की है, हिंदी डब्ड में भी है वो। उसमें मेरी फेवरेट हीरोइन है, उसका नाम है मृणाल ठाकुर। मुझे अपेरेंटली उसकी मूवीज मुझे वो बड़ी पसंद है पूरे
is she
बॉलीवुड।
Oh, is it the Ram and Sita, whatever that
हाँ,
one?
सीतारमण।
is she
सीतारमण
pro-Israel? Is she pro-Israel or anti-Israel?
आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट डू दैट मच रिसर्च।
That's what I base
खैर,
myself on.
हाँ,
You know, I
बट
really like that hero, Dulquer.
अच्छा, वो उसी की दोनों मूवीज मैं आपको रेकमेंड करूंगा। एक तो सीतारमण भी आप देख सकते हो, उस लड़की की है। फिर आप देखना चाहें तो आप देख सकती हैं अच्छा, दुलकरनैन नाम है ना उसका, सुलकरनैन सलमान। उसकी एक और मूवी है लकी भास्कर, वो नेटफ्लिक्स पे, वो भी देख सकते हो आप।
Is it
इट्स
good?
ओके, it's okay, it's a good movie, it's a nice movie, it's
What is it
somewhat
about?
between,
It's on some
it's
kind of a
about
heist, right? Like, no?
heist नहीं, मतलब a smart guy rags to riches वाली स्टोरी, and then sometimes the good guys win वाली स्टोरी। तो ये है। वो देख सकते हैं आप लोग, दुलकर सलमान की। बट अगेन कमिंग बैक कि रोमांटिक देखनी है ना अगर सना, मैं रेकमेंड रोमांटिक देखनी है तो यू कैन वॉच। एक तो सीतारमण देख सकते हैं, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल लव स्टोरी, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो वॉच सेम
Are
एक्टर।
there any bad scenes in the movie?
सीतारमण नहीं, नहीं, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, बहुत
Sita
फैमिली टाइप की।
what?
I'll share the
I don't know if I'm
complete
gonna
name.
watch it or not, but okay, we'll see.
It's वो है जो अच्छी फिल्म है, मतलब आप देख सकते
Is it on Netflix?
हैं। It's I think on Amazon Prime, Amazon Prime पे। And the second one I'll recommend is Hi Nana. It's on Netflix.
What is it
हाँ, वो
about?
भी फैमिली, both of them are family oriented movies। पहले आप ये देखें, एक आध देख लें इसमें से, फिर मैं आपको
Yeah.
और भी
So
बताऊंगा।
the actress I'm talking about is Swara Bhaskar.
स्वरा भास्कर।
Yeah, I'll watch her movies. अगर उसकी है तो
यार
I'll watch
उसने
it.
उसने
Really?
पाकिस्तान के बारे में
Yeah.
अजीबो गरीब
But
बात
she is
की है।
very like, she's infamous, right? वो पैसा
हाँ,
लेके tweets करती
हाँ,
है. Yeah.
हाँ,
I mean,
she's like that।
really? I don't know this, but I mean, I know that she's like she's really good at her, in her tweets.
Yeah.
नहीं, वो बड़ी
That's why.
कंट्रोवर्शियल है,
Yeah, she's very
बड़ी
controversial.
कंट्रोवर्शियल है वो।
So
एक तो
I mean,
पाकिस्तान आई थी वो।
I don't find her tweets controversial.
नहीं, वो अपने इंटरव्यूज में कुछ कहती है और अपने ट्वीट्स में कुछ और
Yeah,
कहती
she's not I mean, she was exposed, right? That she.
So she said like she said like I'm a free Palestine and listen to his will, his last words, and tell me that you're not moved and stuff like that. Like, I like her.
है वो।
Yeah.
चलो उसकी, लेकिन उसकी कोई मेन स्ट्रीम मूवी है नहीं। उसकी थी नील बटा सन्नाटा, दैट वाज ओके, बट इट वाजंट रोमांटिक मूवी, इट वाज जस्ट अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ मदर एंड डॉटर।
I only saw her in Ranjana.
रांझना में, हाँ, वो भी सपोर्टिंग। रांझना
Supporting team,
ब्यूटीफुल
yeah.
मूवी यार, बड़ी प्यारी मूवी थी वो भी।
I like it, yeah.
Yeah, I did not like it. What was to like about it?
Well, the character of the boy,
Wait,
right?
which movie is this? Like really old Ranjana, right? Like really old.
Well, I
नहीं,
don't
10 साल
know.
11 साल, 10 और 11
Like
years
with
ago।
like Kareena Kapoor?
No,
नहीं,
this is
नहीं,
Sonam Kapoor.
सोनम कपूर।
Yeah, like oh my gosh, that movie. जिसमें हिंदू होता है, मुस्लिम होता है.
हाँ,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
I did not
yes।
like it, but okay.
I love the character graph of Dhanush's character. Oh,
हाँ,
and the
उसके
last
एंड का डायलॉग ही
scene.
था, लास्ट सीन है उसका
Yes,
डायलॉग उसका जो था।
terrific. Yes.
हाँ, अब मोहब्बत क्या क्या अब नहीं करेंगे
अब कौन
मोहब्बत।
उठेगा?
हाँ, कौन उठे, अब हाँ, आंखें
Yeah.
मोल लेना ही अच्छा है।
Yes.
दैट जस्ट हिट्स यू। एक और धनुष की फिल्म है, उसके साथ है सारा अली खान के साथ, उसका
Yes,
नाम क्या
वो
था?
भी अच्छा है. Yeah.
नाम
About
मुझे
split
याद नहीं आ रहा।
personality, right?
हाँ,
Sara
हाँ,
with
अरे आपने सारा सस्पेंस ही बता दिया सनी।
जी कौन देख रहा है?
सना देख कहाँ रही है सना?
सुन रहे सना नहीं, जो लोग सुन रहे हैं वो हो सकता है मूवी
कुछ नहीं होता.
हमारे देखे। नहीं, वो ट्विस्ट ही सारा वो स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी का था उसके अंदर।
Sorry.
कोई बात
वो
नहीं.
स्प्लिट पर्सनालिटी उसको मूवी को कहाँ एलिवेट कर देती है उसको। अतरंगी रे, that was the name.
Atrangi, yes, yes.
अतरंगी रे। मैं बहुत
मैंने नहीं
बॉलीवुड फिल्म
देखी.
देखता हूँ भाई, मैं बहुत देखता
Really? You guys watch?
हूँ।
I did not know Pakistan में they still watch Bollywood movies
Why not? मुझे ये होता है क्यों नहीं देखो यार, आप सब
because I
देखो
haven't
जैसे।
watched in like years.
नहीं, आई लव बॉलीवुड मूवीज
But you
ना।
know, एक तो जाती नहीं theater, right?
You
Theater
know,
में
ठीक है।
जाना छोड़ दिया मैंने because
आज ना,
इतना
I was going through some reels and something stood out. You know what? आजकल जो नए movies बन रहे हैं, they are being based off Pakistani dramas and movies. And people are liking it in India, the Indian movies.
कुछ ड्रामे भी बनने वाले हैं।
Yeah, and people are saying, "Oh, this is like a copy of this Pakistani drama," and the makers of the Indian movies are, "Oh, you guys have watched that, so I'm sure you guys are gonna love it." So, हम लोग पाकिस्तानी dramas follow कर रहे हैं, पाकिस्तानी Indian drama.
हमारा तो शो ही ड्रामों के ऊपर है। ये तो अभी तो हम थोड़ा बॉलीवुड पे डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गए, वरना शो हमारा ड्रामों के बारे में और हमने कर्जे जान के बारे में बात करनी है। तो आप ये मत समझे कि हम बेबी जॉन प्रमोट करें, इवन दो आई रियली लाइक वरुण धवन, क्योंकि वो मेरी तरह
You do? You like Varun Dhawan?
यार लोग कहते हैं वो मेरी तरह दिखता है। वैसे तो मुझे रणबीर कपूर बड़ा पसंद है, लेकिन लोग
Really? You like him too? Ranbir Kapoor? Oh my God, man.
रणबीर कपूर की एक्टिंग क्या जालिम
यार
एक्टर
मुझे
है
तो
यार
नहीं
वो।
पसंद. No, I don't think so.
हो। लेकिन मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ आप लोगों को।
हाँ.
आपको जब तक आप कंपैरिजन में नहीं आता, आपको पता नहीं चलता कौन सा एक्टर कितने क्लास का है। यार रणबीर ऐ दिल मुश्किल में, फॉर मी रणबीर कपूर हैज ऑलवेज बीन दिस सुपरस्टार, और उसकी एक्टिंग रॉक स्टार देख लो।
But I've not watched this
बट
movie.
लेकिन मैं जो बात करने लगूँ ना कि when I watched ऐ दिल मुश्किल and when I saw the scene where he and फवाद खान interacted, एक ही सीन है जिसमें वो
Yeah.
दोनों आते हैं, उसमें तो फवाद खान ऐसा क्लास की एक्टिंग कर रहा था, एंड आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो रणबीर कपूर को, जिसको मैं इतना हाईली रेट करता हूँ, फवाद खान के सामने तो कुछ भी नहीं लग रहा है। स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस, एक्टिंग, और जो फवाद खान एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा है, व्हेन यू वॉच दैट मूवी ना, यू रियलाइज कि हम फवाद खान कितना जबरदस्त किस्म का एक्टर है। बहुत क्लास अपार्ट है फवाद खान।
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean
100%.
that I know.
सनी, आपने देखी है दिल मुश्किल?
मैंने ना पूरे नहीं देखे, मुझे बहुत बोरिंग लग रही थी. I only saw the parts that Fawad was in. To be honest.
I've not watched the
रणबीर
movie.
का सीन देखा था?
I think their interaction was much better and much well portrayed as opposed to Shah Rukh Khan ka scene, and lot of discussion was
Shah Rukh Khan is
about
also in
Shah
that
Rukh Khan.
movie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Shah Rukh
a
is also in that
cameo.
movie.
उसका वो dialogue and उसका वो scene को लेके इतनी
यकतरफा
बातें हुई,
मोहब्बत।
but I think Fawad का वो जो subtle expressions थे, that should have been like talked about. It was so good.
हाँ, वो तो बड़ा जबरदस्त था। मतलब उसकी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस ही ऐसी जबरदस्त है। आप अगर आप मौला
yes.
जेट देखी नहीं आप लोगों ने, मौला जेट अगर मौका, अब तो खैर सिनेमा में नहीं है, या शायद री रिलीज हो तो आ जाए, बट मौला जेट के अंदर भी उसकी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस बड़ी जबरदस्त थी फवाद की। उसमें हमजा अली अब्बासी तो भी
Even
जबरदस्त
in
था।
like the Miss Marvel, उसमें जो
हाँ,
sequence
वो
था
टीवी है
फवाद
ना
का.
यार, टीवी है ना, एक
Yes,
सिनेमा
but
और
then
टीवी में
you
बहुत
won't
फर्क है।
believe people who didn't know Fawad right before Miss Marvel. They came and asked me like, who's this actor? He's really good. Like he's an American.
Yes,
He's
he's really good.
amazing. Like he's
Oh, I love Miss Marvel.
yeah.
We watched it within one day. Like my kids
अच्छा,
watched it actually. I watched it with my
कराची
kids.
दिखाया आपने उनको?
Yeah, man. So yeah, we watched it. उसमें Aisha भी है ना, so my daughter was really excited.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
Yeah,
जबरदस्त।
like I think her mom was Aisha. क्या I think
Yeah,
एक
yeah.
मुझे किसी का नाम भी याद नहीं रहता. The girl
चलो,
वो जो थी क्या नानी, the nanny's name was Aisha.
मैं भी शायद।
हाँ, her nani, I think her name was Aisha. And my Aisha's like, what are you talking about?
एनीवे, हाँ, तो कहाँ से शुरू करें भाई कर्जे जान?
जहाँ से होता है शुरू.
सनी से शुरू होता है, उसके बाद फिर सना पे आता है, फिर फराज पे आता है, यहाँ से शुरू होता है।
ठीक है, that's fine.
चलिए शुरू
Samar-
किया जाए।
Okay, so we were wrong. She's alive. So Sunny, Faraz, you were right. So the girl, fortunately or unfortunately, she's still alive. Although she's badly wounded and very critical, but she's breathing, which is I was so relieved to see that. And then I really liked Nameer's performance as Amar when he gets up in the morning and his mom tells him that you've got scratches on you. You can see the panic, the way he portrays his panic and the way he's trying to like normalize himself. I think that sequence was so well done by Nameer. And then I think I Nothing much caught my attention in this episode, and maybe I was watching very late in the night, but I really liked that the girl who went through the atrocity, she is so strong. I think she's going to report him in the next episode, although her family members are telling her that don't report, just get up and just let's go home, and this is going to bring shame to the family, but she still stood her ground and she still decided to report. So I really appreciated that. That's about it from my end. Anything you guys want to add?
So, couple of things that really caught my attention. I mean, I agree with whatever Sunny said about Nameer Khan. He was really good. But the thing that I really want to talk about is the detective part of it. Who's the detective here? So when Burhan and his Nashwa, they were going through this file, and they were talking, and they were doing detective work. I thought they're lawyers, so shouldn't the detective work be done by the police? That was my question.
Yeah,
और
that's why the
इसके अलावा
cop comes and asks for the statement, right? So because in the hospital, the cop comes.
नहीं सनी मेरे ख्याल से सना उस सीन के बारे में बात कर रही हैं जो केस देते हैं बुरहान
Right. So,
उसको
so I'm talking about two different things. So, like investigation jahan ho rahi hai with the girl, so that is a cop's duty, and then the lawyers, when they take up a case, they also run some investigations on their end as well, because they need to collect evidence whether in favor or in.
I don't think they just collect evidence from what the police have provided them, right?
No, they also hire investigators themselves in certain cases.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Sana, you are right in a sense that they are supposed to, because if they know कि हाँ यार our police system is right और सारे पुलिस वाले ईमानदार हैं और वो अपना काम ईमानदारी से करते हैं, तो it's right, it's good कि यार
Okay.
मतलब यही तरीका होता है कि
Yeah, I got it.
आप पुलिस से लें, बट बिकॉज द पुलिस इज सो मैनिपुलेटेड इन पाकिस्तान इटसेल्फ और वो खरीदी जा सकती है और उसको कोई भी सबक चेंज कर सकती है, तो यू कैन नॉट रिलाई ऑन द इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट अ पुलिस इज गोइंग टू गिव यू.
Got it. Okay.
सो लॉयर्स ऑलवेज डू देयर ओन ड्यू डिलिजेंस. कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेटर को रख लेते होंगे, लेकिन अगर मैं कोई लॉयर होता तो मैं इन्वेस्टिगेटर को नहीं रखता, मैं खुद इन्वेस्टिगेट करता.
Yeah, like the state prosecutors, they have access to all the evidences, right? But then if I'm defending the sort of the defendant, then I need to counter those evidences with my own, right? So that there some amount of investigation is done on that end as well, and those get submitted to the judge too for.
But these are prosecutors, though, right? I mean.
Yeah, they're lawyers. Yeah, but they're not state prosecutors. They're probably
Really?
private firms.
Anyway,
I think because Amar is the owner of the firm, so I'm guessing he's the private firm.
Okay.
Oh, not Amar. Sorry,
the other talk. I don't know. It was so. To me, it was odd. The whole spiel they had in the boardroom when they were talking about like the gender differences and this and that. I thought it was so unnecessary, and it wasn't even correct. It's like, the men and women are equal, and I'm like, no, they're not. They're not equal, right? Like they're made equal. Yeah, no, they're not made equal. First of all, and then it's just like we want equal rights. Like, no, we don't want equal rights. We want equity. Like that's a point of DEI.
Yeah,
and
I completely agree with you. That's why I didn't quite understand that whole dialogue. Whole
conversation. एक रीजन समझ में आई है कि क्यों उन्होंने वो पूरा सीक्वेंस दिखाया था और क्यों दिखाया है. आप अगर वो दोनों सीन्स को गौर से देखें और अगर इन दोनों सीन्स के बारे में हम बात करें, तो जो मैं रियलाइज कर रहा हूँ कि हमें वो नशवा की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बताया जा रहा है और ये हमें
वो गलत पर्सनालिटी, वो रॉन्ग है ना. दिस इज नॉट फेमिनिज्म.
मतलब मैं आपको ड्रामे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बता रहा हूँ. हम अपना ओपिनियन तो बाद में देते रहेंगे कि हमें क्या लगता है, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है, लेकिन जो हमें उसका कैरेक्टर डिफाइन करके दिखाया जा रहा है नशवा को, ये दिखाया जा रहा है कि वो ये कहती है कि भाई और औरतों को आप सिर्फ चूल्हा हांडी रोटी करने के लिए नहीं रखें. उनका मकसद यही नहीं है सारी जिंदगी कि वो एक नाइट इन अ शाइनिंग आर्मर के इंतजार में वेट करते रहें. शादी कैन बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ, बट इट्स नॉट योर लाइफ. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली औरतों, वो ये जो नशवा का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था. और फिर हम देखते कि वो नशवा को बुलाते हैं जब बुरहान जो है जब वो बुलाते हैं उनको वहां पे अपने ऑफिस में बुलाते हैं, तो मुझे जो दिख रहा था दोनों सीन्स को देख के जो मेरी समझ में आया कि जो वकील साहब हैं, अम्मार ही है ना वकील साहब, उनका नाम अम्मार है बुरहान है?
बुरहान है।
बुरहान नाम है। तो जो बुरहान साहब है ही इज कम्प्लीटली ऑपोजिट ऑफ नशवा थॉट प्रोसेस। तो ये हमें इस्टेब्लिश कर दिखाया उन्होंने कि बोथ ऑफ देम आर पोल्स अपार्ट व्हेन इट कम्स टू fighting a case, because they have their fundamental differences है दोनों के आपस में. And this also establishes in the next scene जब वो नशवा को एक केस की फाइल देते हैं और वो ये कहते हैं कि ये एक ऐसा केस है जिसमें लड़की ने इल्जाम लगाया हैरेसमेंट का. तो वो ये कहती है, नशवा ये कहती है कि भाई कोई भी लड़की ऐसे उठ के हैरेसमेंट का इल्जाम नहीं लगाती, इट्स अ बिग थिंग. अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे यहाँ आर्ग्यूमेंट ही शुरू से ये रहा है कि अगर कोई लड़की उठ के सोशल मीडिया पे, एंड इफ आई वुड वांट टू रिकॉल दैट ओल्ड केस अली जफर वर्सेस मीशा शफी ने उठ के अली जफर के बारे में इल्जाम लगाया, कहा था कि अली जफर ने मुझे हरास किया. तो लोग ये नहीं कह रहे थे कतई नजर इसके कि एविडेंस क्या है, प्रूफ क्या है, सबूत क्या है. सब ये कह रहे थे क्योंकि वो लड़की है तो वो कभी भी कोई लड़की इस तरह उठ के इल्जाम नहीं लगाती तो वो ठीक है. सिंपैथी सारी मिशा शफी की तरफ से जा रही थी. तो उस सीन में वो ये उसको बावर कराता है नशवा को कि आप अपनी पर्सनल लाइकिंग और डिसलाइकिंग को साइड पे रख के केस को देखिएगा, ये मत देखिएगा कि आप साइड मत लेने लग जाइएगा. तो दिस शोज के ही इज मोर लाइक इंक्लाइंड टूवर्ड्स द मेन साइड, एंड ही इज समवन जिसके जहन में क्योंकि वो दोहराता भी एक दो दफा कि सही तो कह रहा था वो लड़का जो एसोसिएट होता है, मोहित, था सही तो कह रहा था वो.
I mean, I agree with the guy too.
हाँ तो वो तो
and I work and I'm a working woman, so
there you go.
So I mean, but still I agree with the man, with the guy who was talking.
Thought process दिखाती है हमें.
But then it's not correct then. It's not like the whole point of view.
सना वो तो
not
आपके
right
point
then.
of view से है ना, सना वो तो आपके point of view से है ना.
But you don't understand. But that's no. I'm saying it doesn't set well. Like it doesn't go with the character itself.
Okay, थोड़ा elaborate करें.
So a feminist or like a person who's progressive woman would never say, okay, you can only do सिर्फ पढ़ाई होनी चाहिए, शादी का हिस्सा शादी पार्ट होता है लाइफ का. Like we know as women, like progressive women, that everybody has their own right to choose whatever they want, and if a girl wants to just stay at home, that's fine. What's wrong with that? And it's not that they are less than us who work.
तो क्या नशवा का कैरेक्टर इस तरह का लगता है आपको? ऐसा लगा कि वो ये कहने की कोशिश कर?
I mean, is she putting down girls who just want to wait for their?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
That's how it felt to me. No, that's how it felt.
अच्छा, चलो.
She's like,
I agree with Sana in the point that the feminism doesn't mean like girls only want to work outside and not do house chores, or even cooking at home is looked down upon by those people. That's not the case. The point for feminism is more like
choice,
equal, equal.
Not equal
responsibility when it comes.
Not even equal responsibility. I think it's more about your choice. I think
choice as well, but at the same time, if you are in a relationship and if you have responsibilities, equal share of the responsibilities. The onus, what happens in South Asian countries, right? Like the idea is like, if very often the conversation goes like, you're a working woman, you're my wife, but you don't earn enough to put bread on the table. So that part is been taken care of by me. So that means since the man is doing the chunk of that work, he will not be sharing the responsibility inside the house. So that is wrong, right? That from feminism point of view.
If both of them are working,
yes, you're both working,
then it should be shared,
regardless of the financial status of each of you. The effort taken by both of you are the same. Both of you are outside, both of you are working. When you're back home and you have to put cook and put food on the table, then there should be like equal partnership there, because otherwise it's going to be too stressful for the woman. Similarly, if you have to take care of the kids, it's not that the mother is the only one responsible for kids.
No.
She's the one who has to take time off from work
I
because
mean, it's
kids
actually like,
need.
or if she's a stay-at-home mom, it's actually harder to be a stay-at-home mom.
Oh yeah,
Seriously.
100%.
Because I've done it, for a few months, and it's
Me
like, oh my
too.
God, I need to get away from my kids for a little bit,
Me too, yeah. And that is where the South Asian mentality is, that, oh, you are the mother. The sick kid needs the mother. True. But then when she is a working woman, her corporate rules also dictate that she has to come to work at certain
But then
point of
even if
time.
she's not working, even if she's a stay-at-home mom, the dad can help out with the kids.
Yes, that is true too. Like, the dad is responsible for
Yeah.
the kid
Like,
too.
and then also, like,
And if you can, give the mother a break. She's 100% there, but then that doesn't.
Yeah.
On the weekends, if you're home,
and
give the
also
mother a break.
it's all about companionship, and like,
It is,
it's
exactly.
what you're okay with. Like, in
Yeah.
my house, I'm the only one who cooks. My husband does not even know how to do anything. Seriously. I cook everything.
True,
So,
but it's not like,
fine.
oh, I can't. If you have to go somewhere because and
Yeah.
your kids are hungry, your husband will not be calling you that come home ASAP because your kids are hungry.
No.
Right?
Yeah, like,
Yeah,
exactly.
that
or,
happens.
Or if I've not cooked anything, I'll just order out. That's fine
Yeah.
too.
So in
Or
South
order in, I
Asian
guess.
homes, right, that happens. Like you like I have my bhabis back home who tried to work and they had so much to deal with because the onus on them was that before you go to work, make sure you have food ready for the household. If you can take time off during the break, you have to take a work where you can take time off from the break during the break, come home, warm up the food for the in-laws because they don't have hands and feet to go up to the kitchen and warm up food. So that is the ideology that has to be broken in at least in the South Asian world, and that is the goal of feminism, I think, in the long.
Yeah, that exactly. Not like not what she was saying. All this like stuff,
Yeah, yeah. Well, she was saying, she was more like trying to push that we should be working women too, because वो नहीं करने दिया जा रहा है हमें. So right, so she had that agenda. The guy had the agenda I need a wife who can cook for me. That's
fine too.
That is
That's
okay
fine
too.
too.
I'm sure you'll find somebody that matches your
exactly.
likes, right?
Yeah.
Marry that person.
That's his choice then. If he wants to marry a girl who wants to
Yeah.
cook for him, that's his choice.
Yes,
Man, but it's not like he's wrong.
It's not wrong, and neither is Nashwa. But then the thing is, like, so yeah, that's why I'm like, एक जो conversation चल रही थी, it was trying to show Nashwa as a strong woman, but the conversation had no merit. On the contrary, जो बुरहान और उसका conversation था about be practical or be more unbiased when you're looking at a case.
That was better. Yeah, exactly.
That is the right feminism. That is the role.
And you know what? Actually, Nashwa said, "Hey, why didn't this woman like say anything when she was working there?" I'm like, "Hello, women don't say much,
Exactly.
And Burhan pointed that out. He said, "You know what? Like she might not be able to say anything at that time."
Right.
So I thought that Burhan is more like feminist.
Yeah. I mean that's the vibe I got, that he's got more of a like a modern outlook as opposed to Nashwa himself. Yeah.
Nashwa is more like, I just need to get out of this thing from my prison at home, and I just feel like what my mom does is it's like being a prisoner here, and I just want to get out in the world.
Yes, that's why I did not think much about that conversation. I know
it was just annoying me so much. I'm like, I don't know why we're talking about this.
क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि आगे जाके यही एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह बनेगी ड्रामे में?
Probably.
है ना, कि दोनों की आइडियोलॉजीज अलग अलग हैं और इसी वजह से वो एक कोई केस लेगा. या अब देखें, हमें तो अभी तक यही पता चल रहा है कि जो उसका कजन का नाम अम्मार है ना, तो बाय द लुक्स ऑफ इट और जो कन्वर्सेशन उसका कजन कर रहा है अपने दोस्त से, अम्मार कर रहा है अपने दोस्त, और वो कह रहा है कि वो तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी और तू जो चढ़ गई थी और ये सारी चीजें. आई वुड रियली होप कि यार इस तरह का ये ड्रामा बने आगे जाकर, कि जैसे अभी हमें लग रहा है कि अम्मार कल्प्रिट है. अम्मार मतलब इट्स अ सिंपल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड स्टोरी लग रही है हमें कि अम्मार बख्तियार जो है उसने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को लेकर गया, वहां जाकर ही हैड फ्यू ड्रिंक्स एंड देन दे गैंग रेप्ड हर. और ये स्टोरी बन रही है अभी तक सीधी सी.
And tried to kill her.
and tried to kill her as well.
Yeah.
तो मजा तो मुझे लगता है मजा तब आएगा जब नशवा अम्मार की साइड लेगी, और या तो बुरहान अम्मार की साइड लेगा, और हाँ बुरहान लेगा अम्मार की साइड, बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट कि वो अभी जो कनेक्शन उनका बन रहा है कि वो जो घर है उसने कहा है ना कि बुरहान कोई है, बुरहान जिसने हमारा घर लिया है, सो दे हैव दिस कनेक्शन, ही इज एन एडवोकेट और इज अ लॉयर। तो अभी उसको अगली किस्त में हमने देखा है कि उसको पकड़ने के लिए आ जाएंगे।
Yeah.
तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हो सकता है कि जो बुरहान है वो उसकी तरफ से लड़े, अम्मार की तरफ से लड़े, और नशवा जो है वो
But Nashwa is an intern though.
नशवा इज व्हाट इंटर्न,
Is an intern, so
बट
she's
हमने
not
हमने
a.
जो उसके ट्रेलर्स देखे हैं उसमें हमें यही लगता है कि दे आर अ मैरिड कपल।
But they're not married yet.
नहीं नॉट येट, बट जो ट्रेलर्स देखे उसमें हमने ये देखा था कि दे आर मैरिड, और मे बी आई एम रॉन्ग, बट समहाउ द अदर दे आर अ कपल, and one is and both of them are fighting on the same case in opposite counsel के वो दोनों they are fighting against each other, so that's how it's going to be। और फिर देखते हैं कि क्या क्या होता है, किस तरह का होता है। और हमें जो मैं कह रहा था कि हमें it would become really interesting if all of us are going to think कि Ammar, which seems straight up कि Ammar is the one who's culprit, but he turns out to be not। तो थोड़ा मजे का हो जाएगा, मतलब how would they take us
I mean, he is involved, like for sure.
हाँ
Like,
involved
I mean,
है,
it's
लेकिन
not
किस
like
हद
he's.
तक है, हाँ, but that's the power of drama and cinema and direction and storytelling के you know they sorry they play with your mind as a viewer।
No, but he said कि भाई कि धक्का तो किसी और ने दिया था.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो देखते हैं क्या, अभी तो कुछ पता नहीं है ना, जैसा हमें लग रहा है क्या वैसे ही है, तो इट्स अ वेरी लीनियर स्टोरी।
Did the doctors do like the rape kit and stuff?
Yes, that's why
वो
they
कर
say
चुके
no.
हैं, वो कर चुके हैं।
Zati hua hai. And they even say
Acha.
rape and murder, right?
So they have all the DNA evidence, like because
Yes.
she scratched his neck, so they've got DNA in her
वो तो
in her nails.
अगले किस्त में तो दिखा दिया ना सीधा सीधा।
We'll see how much Pakistani drama does that part of the investigation, right?
The forensics of it.
Yeah, exactly.
We'll get to
Because
see it.
there are Indian dramas that have been sloppy around it, you know. So
तो हम इंडियन ड्रामास को लोग इस तरह लेते नहीं ना, हम पाकिस्तानी ड्रामा को, हम जैसे जो क्रिटिक्स हैं या रिव्यूअर्स हैं जो कि बाल की खाल निकालते हैं, तो उनको पता है कि हमारे रिव्यूअर्स बड़े तेज हैं।
I hope so, because it's high time that we do like due diligence in our drama around these things, because it's a very serious offense.
Yes,
And
तो अगले किस्त में
it's
तो
on
पता
the
है वो पकड़ा
rise
जाएगा।
in the subcontinent, so it has to be stopped.
तो बस ये था ओवरऑल खुलासा, लेकिन ये है कि एक चीज बड़ी एक सोशल इशू भी रेस किया गया कि देखो स्टिग्मा हो जाता है ना जिस तरह से, और
that is
बहन उसको समझा रही है, which is sad, which is
really sad. I'm like, seriously, like, I mean, people would not know. I mean, it's going to be anonymous anyways.
नहीं
वो तो नहीं होगा,
ऐसा नहीं
unfortunately. The leaks होंगे and press will find out.
Yep, and it's again अमीर आदमी का बेटा है, तो जाहिर है और लीक्स होंगे, और तो वो eventually this is sad, you know, आपको।
But even then, I mean, it's not her fault because she has to, like, you know, it's
not.
No, not at all.
Of course not. And that is the beauty of this drama, that they created a situation where the girl had no escape. You know, in a lot of times in the dramas, they don't create a situation so well, and the viewers go like, "Arey wo ye kar sakti thi, arey wo kar sakti thi." In this particular drama, they did a very good job in like creating a circumstance where the girl literally had no escape.
Yeah.
Right. So
नहीं, कहने को जो लोग हैं वो इस तरह की बातें भी, जैसे अगर
गई क्यों थी,
हाँ इस तरह की बातें भी कर सकते हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट द डिबेट।
उसमें भी उन्होंने बोला था कि द गर्ल इज सेइंग कि तुमने तो बोला था पर डिनर पे जाएंगे, राइट?
हाँ, डिनर पे जाएंगे, वो जबरदस्ती ले जाता है, लेकिन अगर वही भी बात है कि अगर वो गई भी है, दैट्स हर ओन चॉइस, वो गई है,
that's okay, it's fine, what's the big deal?
Even if she's drinking or even if she's doing anything, that's her own choice, but the moment she would have said no,
it's a no.
means no. हाँ, no means no.
She shouldn't have been drugged, period, right?
हाँ,
So
would
like,
have been.
right.
वो तो खुलेगा आगे जाके ना, कैसे
No, she was drugged for sure, and that is the
Yes,
violation of a
yes.
human right there, right?
Of course.
So,
Yes, and I really hope that इस ड्रामे के जरिए कोर्ट रूम के जरिए ये हमारे पाकिस्तानी यूथ को भी थोड़ा एजुकेट कर सकेंगे
that
यार।
is what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. कि ये जो
वो कौन सी मूवी थी
investigation
उसकी, अमिताभ की और
हाँ
तापसी
हाँ
पन्नू की,
right.
पिंक
Pink.
पिंक। ओह
वैसा
सच अ
स्टाइल
पावरफुल
का कुछ
मूवी।
करना पड़ेगा कि I mean so
ओह
that
इट वाज अ वेरी पावरफुल मूवी ना,
that's what I'm looking for. That's why you need to show a proper investigation was done. Like,
एंड
जहाँ
प्रॉपर
पे
कोर्ट रूम सीन्स एज वेल,
yes, proper defense was created
क्रॉस
so that
क्वेश्चनिंग।
लोगों के मन में कुछ तो डर बैठे कि like
Yeah, this drama can become a classic if they do it right.
yes,
It has all the right ingredients. I
yes,
hope they do it.
I hope so. And so, please don't make it a typical love story and then just
नहीं हाँ ऐसे ना
ruin
करेंगे
it.
इसको।
Yeah, we've got a very
It's
serious topic in hand.
यप। लेकिन एक चीज से एतराज है मुझे पूरे ड्रामे में, आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा, ये कैमरा इतना ज्यादा क्यों हिलता है इस ड्रामे में?
होता है
आप
क्या?
जब
मैंने
जो
नोटिस
जो
नहीं किया।
कैमरा है आप नोट कीजिएगा, कैमरा हिलता रहता है, मतलब फोकस नहीं रहता एक आदमी पे, ऐसा लगता है पूरा हिल रहा है, जलजला आया हुआ है।
Okay.
हाँ आप नोट किएगा भी, नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में भी
Yes,
देखिएगा,
of course.
कैमरा हिले जा रहा है, तो मेरी नहीं समझ आ रहा है ऐसा क्यों है।
Oh,
But
no.
then again, kudos to the director and the writer and all the actors. It's such a good drama, yaar. Like in comparison to Baby Baji की बहुएं that we have. Again, जो उसको देखता है वो भी देखे, कोई कबाहत नहीं है देखने में, आप देख सकते हैं. But intelligent writing, intelligent directions, to the point story. जैसे अभी हम लोग इस शो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बात कर रहे थे कि यार we are not going to do a drama today because उसकी स्टोरी को खास बड़ी नहीं. But we are doing करजंजा because स्टोरी प्रोग्रेस हुई है. हर एपिसोड में अच्छी प्रोग्रेशन है, स्पीड अच्छी है, पेस अच्छी है, तो कुडोस टू द डायरेक्टर एंड द राइटर्स। सो मैं अपनी रेटिंग इस ड्रामे को अब मैं पहले दे देता हूँ और उसके बाद आप दे देगा। मेरी तरफ से ये ड्रामा स्टडी स्पीड पे जा रहा है, डायरेक्शन, एक्टिंग, राइटिंग सब अच्छी है, तो आई वुड गिव इट an 8. That's from my side.
I'm gonna give it an 8 as well.
Same here, 8 for me too. As you said, for us, it's going on a stable speed, and the story is progressing every week, so I love it.
All right, so I think अब इसको रैप अप करते हैं शो को। कर्जे जहां के बारे में मेरी तो ओपिनियन ये है कि इफ यू गाइस आर नॉट वाचिंग इट, व्हेन आई से यू गाइस मींस आवर लिसनर्स, इफ दे आर नॉट वाचिंग इट सो यू मस्ट वॉच इट। अभी 3 किस्तें आ चुकी हैं, 3-4 किस्तें, तो आप देखिए आराम से, एंड यू गाइस आर गोइंग टू लाइक इट। सो go ahead guys, you can wrap it up.
Yeah, I mean, exactly. Like, you guys should watch it. Like, just think of it this way. Okay, I was supposed to watch 3 or 4 dramas this weekend, but I only watched this one. So yeah, I'm just bored of other dramas now. All right, that's it from my side.
All right, so it's a wrap from Drama Log. So see you again next week with a new review. Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum.